10 British school experiences most people remember. Some memories refuse to fade, no matter how many years pass. Long after the last school bell rings, people across the UK can still remember the sounds, routines, friendships, and awkward moments that defined their school days. From rainy mornings and packed assemblies to exam nerves and summer holiday excitement, these experiences became part of growing up in Britain. Whether you loved every minute or counted down the days until term ended, many of these moments will feel instantly familiar, and the number one memory remains one of the most unforgettable of all. 10. Waiting outside the school gates on a rainy morning. Few things felt more British than arriving at school in the rain. The sky was grey, the pavement was wet, and students gathered outside the gates waiting for the day to begin. Even when umbrellas appeared, they rarely seemed big enough to keep everyone dry. Friends squeezed together under tiny shelters, while others simply accepted their fate. School shoes quickly became damp, blazers collected raindrops, and hair that looked perfect at home often didn't survive the journey. Yet nobody thought much about it because it happened so often. For many British school children, standing outside in unpredictable weather became a routine part of life. Looking back, those chilly mornings are remembered almost as clearly as the lessons themselves. And once the gates opened, another challenge often appeared. 9. Realising you forgot your PE kit. Nothing could make your stomach drop faster. You'd be sitting in class when the horrible realisation hit. Your PE kit was still at home. Immediately, your brain started searching for solutions. Maybe the teacher wouldn't notice. Maybe there was a spare excuse available. Maybe today's lesson would be cancelled. Unfortunately, things rarely worked out that way. Many students ended up borrowing spare clothing from lost property. The shirts often seemed several sizes too large, and the shorts never quite fit properly. Walking into the sports hall wearing borrowed kit felt far more embarrassing than the exercise itself. The fear of forgetting your PE kit became such a common experience that many former pupils still laugh about it years later. But embarrassment wasn't limited to PE lessons. 8. The Great Assembly Seating Shuffle. Assemblies had their own unique atmosphere. Hundreds of students filed into the hall and sat in rows while teachers attempted to organise everyone. Friends tried to sit together whenever possible, creating a carefully planned arrangement that often lasted only a few minutes. Then came the familiar instruction: move forward and fill the gaps. Instantly, the entire hall began shuffling around. Students squeezed together, bags were moved, and everyone tried not to laugh during the awkward rearrangement. The squeaking of shoes echoed across the floor. Coats rustled, someone always seemed to drop something. Assemblies could sometimes feel endless, but they also created countless memories shared by generations of British school children. And sometimes, a classroom surprise was waiting afterwards. 7. Seeing the television being wheeled into class. This was often the highlight of the day. Before modern classroom technology became common, many schools relied on televisions mounted on wheeled trolleys. The moment one appeared in the doorway, excitement spread across the room. Something different was about to happen. The rattling sound of the trolley moving down the corridor could spark instant curiosity. Students sat up straighter, hoping the lesson might involve a documentary, educational program, or special presentation. Even if the content was educational, it still felt like a welcome change from normal classroom routines. There was something exciting about dimmed lights, a television screen, and the possibility of spending part of the lesson watching instead of writing. But nothing compared to the freedom of break time. 6. Racing out to the playground at break time. The bell changed everything. One moment, students were quietly sitting at desks. The next, they were heading for the playground as quickly as possible. Break time transformed the school grounds into a busy world of activity. Football matches appeared instantly. Friendship groups gathered in their favourite spots. Conversations filled every corner of the playground. On cold mornings, clouds of breath hung in the air while students carried on regardless. During warmer months, every available patch of outdoor space became valuable. Halfway through our look at 10 British school experiences most people remember, it becomes clear that some of the strongest memories were created outside the classroom rather than inside it. Yet lunchtime brought an entirely different experience. 5. Joining the school lunch queue. The lunch queue was practically a daily ritual. Students lined up patiently, chatting with friends while trays slowly moved forward. Conversations covered everything from homework and football to television shows and weekend plans. Some lunch days generated genuine excitement. Others were greeted with a little less enthusiasm. Either way, everyone eventually found themselves making choices while moving along the serving area. The dining hall itself was always full of life. Hundreds of conversations blended into one constant background hum. Chairs scraped across floors, trays clattered, and laughter travelled across the room. Finding a place to sit with friends often felt almost as important as the food itself. Those noisy lunch breaks became an unforgettable part of British school life. Then came the moments when everything suddenly became quiet. 4. Sitting in silence during exams. Exams created a completely different atmosphere. Classrooms that were normally filled with conversation suddenly became silent. The ticking of a clock seemed louder than ever. Every page turn sounded dramatic. Even the smallest noise could grab everyone's attention. Students stared at exam papers, hoping information would appear exactly when needed. Some wrote furiously, others paused to think. Everyone felt the pressure in their own way. Teachers and invigilators walked slowly between desks while students focused on completing their work. For many young people, school exams represented some of the earliest experiences of genuine academic pressure. The sense of relief when the final paper was collected was enormous. Thankfully, lighter moments were never far away. 3. The final week before the holidays. The mood changed completely. As the holidays approached, classrooms often felt more relaxed. Students knew a break was coming, and the atmosphere reflected it. Projects were completed, desks were tidied, teachers wrapped up topics and prepared for the end of term. In many schools, educational films, games, quizzes, or special activities sometimes appeared during those final days. Even simple classroom tasks seemed more enjoyable because everyone knew the holidays were close. Excitement quietly built throughout the week. Every passing day felt like another step closer to freedom. And then came one of the most emotional traditions of all. 2. Signing school shirts on the last day. The final day always felt different. Students arrived with pens ready and spent hours collecting signatures, messages, jokes, and memories from classmates. White school shirts gradually became covered in handwriting. Friends left messages promising to stay in touch. Teachers occasionally added comments as well. What looked like a simple tradition often carried surprising emotion. For some students, it marked the end of friendships built over many years. For others, it represented the beginning of a completely new chapter. Those signed shirts became time capsules filled with memories from a specific moment in life. Yet one experience stands above all the others. 1. Hearing the final bell before summer holidays. Nothing captured the feeling of freedom quite like this. The final bell before the summer holidays signaled the end of another school year. The moment it rang, excitement spread everywhere. Students packed bags, said goodbye to teachers, and headed toward the gates with smiles on their faces. Outside, conversations immediately turned to holiday plans, family trips, summer adventures, and weeks without early morning alarms. The air seemed lighter. The future felt wide open. For children and teenagers across Britain, this moment wasn't simply about leaving school for the day. It represented the start of a long-awaited break filled with possibility. Years later, many people can still remember exactly how that final bell sounded and how they felt walking out of school, knowing summer had finally arrived. The details may differ from school to school, but these memories continue to connect generations of former pupils. That's why 10 British school experiences most people remember remain so relatable. These moments helped shape childhood, creating stories, friendships, and memories that still bring smiles years later. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.